This is a video about adding fractions. This is the thing that's hard for some kids, so I really want you to pay attention, and you might have to watch, I'm going to make two videos, you might have to watch them twice. Okay, visually, what does adding look like? So if I have the same denominator, I have two equal size pies. I cut them into equal size pieces, 5 in this case, and all I do is add up how many pieces I have, okay? What if I have a different denominator? Then things get a bit different. And I'm going to use this bar here that shows, how many sixths there are in one whole, 6 6. And I'm going to go a half, okay, a half. So one of these bits, it's kind of hard to see on this. It got very dark, so I might use my red pen. Here's where a half is divided. So this is 1/2. And 1/3. So 1/3 is down here. So I'm going to take 1/2 minus 1/3. Well, that doesn't work because they're not in the same amount of pieces. It's too hard to look at it. So I might go down to where I can see that this one, this line can meet here and this line can meet here. So I might go down to the sixths. I might get a common denominator and say, okay, 3 6 are the same as 1/2. I can see it. 1 2 3 6 is the same as 1/2. And then I might subtract off 2 6, which is the same as 1/3. And I'm left with 1/6. So adding and subtracting fractions sometimes has to use this idea. Okay, so let's get the easy part over with. So doing maths without a picture. When I have the same denominator, it's pretty easy. Same denominator, I add the numerators. Okay, so same denominator, add numerators. That's great. When I have a different denominator, things get a bit tricky. Okay, so with a different denominator, I need to go through some steps. And we're going to do the steps in an example in a little bit, but I want to write down what they are. I need to make the same denominator. So I'm probably going to be building a fraction. So if I have 2/3 plus 1/5, I need to somehow build a fraction that has the same denominator. So I'm going to have to pick a fraction where the denominator is a number that both of these go into it. So we use that same thing we did last time, where we got a least common denominator, or in the olden days, it was called the least common multiple when we did it last term, where we multiply these two together and we build a new fraction with a bottom of 15. Because we can build a fraction where, I had to multiply by 5 to get 15, multiply by 5, multiply by 3, multiply by 3. And I get 13 over 15. Okay, this idea is hard to get your head around sometimes, so we're going to practice that a lot. Okay, so here's some easy ones. Same denominator, add numerators. So I just get 4 over 5, 3 plus 1. How about this one? 11, same denominator, so I keep the denominator there. I'll put that up here too. Keep same denominator. 3 plus 5 plus 6. 3 plus 5 plus 6. I reckon that that's 14. Now, you're allowed to leave it like that, but some of you I know will want to change that into 1 and 3/11. It doesn't matter. Both of these are the right answer. They're both the right answer. Okay, I'm going to make another video of the examples.